So, two things happened. It snowed, which is awesome. It's supposed to snow more today. And the mail lady came. I got a new pack. The last one I was using for day hikes was just falling apart. It wasn't that old, it's only about 6 months old. I bought cheap. So now I'm going to cry twice. Once when I bought the cheap pack, second time when I bought the better pack. So what I picked up was the Savotta Jaeger. And first impressions are that I can't break this one. It's very well made, and I'm going to get to know it today. I threw a bunch of gear in it, mostly food and beverages. So as usual, I'm not going to starve today. So let's go for a little hike, get to base camp, and put it through its paces. This is just a first look for me, and for you, I do plan on doing a full review on it because I like it so much, number one. And number two, it's, in my mind, a kind of expensive piece of gear and considerable investment. So you want to really be sure that it's what you want before you pick it up. All right, so let's get going, see what happens. Should be fun. Okay, very quickly, with the Savotta Jaeger, here's the pack, there's the back, it's moly everywhere, just covered in moly. I'm not going to go into detail about it. All I'm going to say right now, it's exceptionally well made. 1000 Cordura. Everything is exceptionally well made. It's a military inspired pack in that the materials and quality is there. So I fit quite a bit in it today, and it's by no means full. First trip out, so I can see right off the bat, I'm going to have to change how I pack them. This is my cook kit. I'm going to put to the side through the moly. This is a Condor lens pouch. It's not even a bottle kit, but it fits my cook kit perfectly. Does what I need it to do. So that's a 40-ounce clean canteen container, a solo pot, GSI cup, and a spork. Okay. Over here, just a sitting pad, nothing special. On this side, in the pocket and strapped in, it's the Agua Canyon Boreal 21. Not my saw. I borrowed it from my brother today just to see how it would pack in. And it packs very well. Just remember, bro, possession is 9/10 of the law. Inside, in the lid, there's a well-made pouch, a few corded sharpening kit, etc. Up in there, lots of room. This collar can extend, and you can pack more. So by no means did I overpack this. Inside, first thing is my medical kit, hygiene kit. My Grand Brooks small forest axe fits nicely. My wool anorak, gloves, part of dinner, tasty beverage, big pot, more food. So there she is. I'm going to do a detailed review at some point, but so far I really like it. Fit more than what I would normally take on a day hike. I wouldn't normally take all this cookware and all that food. So far so good. Let's set a fire on. Do what we meant to do. What's on the menu tonight? Well, I thought Guinness shepherd's pie. Got my meat here. That ends up being sausage. I think the original shepherd's pie would have been lamb. That's what I had on hand. Carrots, onions, and leeks from my garden. How I preserve them is I wash them, cut them into rings, and I freeze them on a sheet. So as I need them, I just take them out of the freezer. And some rosemary from the garden. Can't have shepherd's pie without peas, as far as I'm concerned. Sweet potato for the top. Of course, Guinness. It's good for you. First step is to get this meat browned up. Or cooked almost all the way through. So now that meat is browned up, I want to add my veg. So in here is some leeks, carrots, onions, and garlic. Let that go for a while and make friends. I want to get my rosemary in there too. There we go. And I think I'll spice it up with a bit of king spice. Okay, the Guinness did its job. And what I did here was I made a stock out of dehydrated mushrooms. So they go in the mix. These have so much flavor. They add a real meaty element to it. Kind of a taste you can't describe. But mushrooms are in. I'm going to add that stock that I reconstituted them in. Okay, that's enough. Bring that to the boil. Now, if I were at home, I would not be using gravy mix. I would be making a roux with some butter and some flour, some beef stock, doing it that way. But out here, I think it's allowed. Throw that gravy mix in there. Give it a stir. As that comes to a boil, it will thicken up. The gravy's nice and dark. thick. Now I want to add some peas. I'm not going to mix them up. Just going to let them sit on top in a layer. All right, let's get it in this pan here. Because we are going to want to put a mash on this. One of my favorite things, sweet potatoes. Can't have mash without butter. Get a bit of frozen butter in there. Mix it up. Potato was done a long time ago, so it's cooled off quite a bit, but that'll work. Perfect. Next, need to ladle this mixture over the top. And why not take it to the next level with some smoked cheddar cheese? What was awesome about this pot when I picked it up was this. It can hang, it has a bail. See how that lid is indented? I think I can use that as a Dutch oven. Brown that cheese up on top. Whew. So that's going to sit like that for 5 to 10 minutes, I would say. I'm going to finish the rest of this delicious Guinness. It's good for you. All right, I can hear things sizzling in there, so it's time to take a look. Hear that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's there. Let's get that off. Well, Boy, oh boy. This beats a mountain house meal any day of the week, kids. Gravy, mushrooms, meat, sweet potato, smoky cheddar. Perfect. No way I'll eat all this. I get that hint of rosemary too. Delicious. Well, I'm going to finish this. Well, attempt to eat some of it anyway. Pack up, and it'll be time to head home soon. Guinness shepherd's pie. Alright guys, that's about it. Weather's turning nasty here. This wind is coming up really fast. I had a great day. Had a chance to check out my new pack, the Savotta Yager. I love it so far. I'll be doing an in-depth review on that one soon. That meal, yeah, it was bang on. Try it. Guinness shepherd's pie. Next time you're out in the woods, try it at home. It's awesome both places. So thanks for coming along. Like and subscribe to this video. And please leave a comment. I enjoy when you leave a comment. What you liked about the video, maybe what you'd like to see in the future. So thanks for coming along, guys. We'll see you on the next one.